When I was teaching, I found it really helpful to start the day with setting expectations for my students. Typically, that looked like writing things on my whiteboard, hoping that they didn't get erased, or putting things on sticky notes, which more than likely got thrown away sometimes. And it was hard to keep up with. Now, with Explain Everything Advanced, you'll have the ability to use one of these beautiful templates to edit, to make it your own. You can save it and label it for each class period, so you can change this throughout the day depending on what class you're teaching. You can continue to add on it by clicking the addition button down here and simply pulling from one of the templates. So if you wanted a different template, you could definitely use one of those. These are easy to edit and save because this is all cloud-based. So now I have access to the history of what I've done with my students throughout the year and can access it at any time from anywhere. If you want to learn more about Explain Everything Advanced for either yourself or your teachers, let me know. Let's schedule some time together and we can see if this is a good solution for you guys. Take care.